Candidate Rajesh Debbarma led door-to-door visits addressing local grievances and seeking a mandate for the upcoming polls. The campaign culminated in a significant rally demonstrating the party's organizational strength in the constituency. On that day, the roadshow rally commenced from Yakrai Bazar and concluded at Ashram Tila via Mering Bazar. A substantial number of local residents and party loyalists participated, signaling a robust momentum for the BJP in a tribal-dominated seat.
Chini Chini Mandai Pulinpur constituency area Chini Yakrai Bazar tu aing pai Rupurai kami joras Chini Garibai root sukhakia Wajangan bisungo ang semangka o amtani borok belekei mayaganan tai borok khatang khaja khayai sini buskarne edisi chongmarino tei dinphon nasingjak borok lejak stongkha borok 12 tarik place lejo tamni bagi ke singo jaga je sini hawon sing semangka singo jaga wajangan joto public rok joto ono kono devata rok joto noro tibrasa kungte barok mayaganan rok borok joto no palki borok bijbinen gurna ne borok pinjak
inka jetini o ruto je rally khaimani bisingtei buskani titi disi songmari ni bukhatei o amchani lokorokno kusar mungtom tongnai paitha
naji norok nukhana tini ni je ojagani rutsuo for ni gathering beleke successful abun bagi ang o amchani borno tei o amchani netrongno ba netarongno ba sini ojagani jonjati mursani jata netrong tei tongnai rok borno bahaino paiple hambai tei o mondoli bahaino sini mondol sabapati tei ojagani bidayok sini sar pinakidar borno bahaino hambai tamni bagi genaidi ang o amtani ingai bongni o amtani sadalangai o amtani takungai bongni phayungai bongni tutuingai ang no borok buskani edi songmari o keplai klaiman yaglongkai ang bongni samotongai samongkhainan bagai sini bungthai baron bagai tinangni bagai bolsotni bagai tui hor ja nangmani lama sini karin ba borokni sujug subida a bo joto nang borokno putugidan bagai ang prostate tongo
Reported by Malin from Mandai, Chini Khorang.